Hey everyone, how's it going? So you're riding home with Kenny. So I've mentioned it before that almost on a daily basis, you get surprised by stuff customers say or do. And today was definitely no exception. No exception whatsoever. And this was a first. This was an absolute first. I've never had anything like this in my life before. And I've been doing this for over 40 years, you know that. So, get a phone call first thing this morning. Guy says that his Chevy pickup truck, he thinks he blew the rear end in it. It's an older Chevy pickup truck. He wants to tow it in. Okay, tow it in. Can I have your name? It's John Doe. I'm just going to use John Doe. Okay. All right. So, all of a sudden, I look, and here comes this tow truck with a older Chevy pickup truck on it. Older, like a 1990-ish, something like that. So, obviously, this has got to be John Doe. So I see this guy walking in that I've never seen before. Has to be this guy, I'm thinking. Nobody else there, you know what I mean? So, hey, good morning, you must be John. You don't know me. Excuse me? You don't know me. I'm sorry, I don't know what I said to offend you, but all I said was, you must be John. You call me Mr. Doe. You don't know me. I don't understand young people today. Young people. I don't understand young people today. No respect. Absolutely no respect. It should be Mr. Doe. Oh, okay. My apologies. No problem. Mr. Doe, I'll take care of things for you. So he starts rattling off things that he needs, right? And now, first off, I kind of taken aback by that, but okay, I get it. I understand. So he starts rattling off things that he needs. I think I blew the rear end, blah, 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 blah. And he had a list of a few other things that he needed straightened out. Okay. We can do all that for you. So it gets unloaded from the tow truck. It's like, okay, we got to write this up. So let me go out and get the information from the truck. Come back in, and he starts rambling about respect thing again. Okay, I already started calling you Mr. Doe. I apologized in the whole 9 yards. And even Robert was like, what's wrong with this guy? So then, after all was said and done, I get it all written up. I got everything down as to what this guy wants. He pays the tow truck leaves. Then he says, all right, he goes, well, whatever it's going to cost, I need that truck fixed. Okay, well, we're going to call you with an estimate first and let you know. I don't care what it's cost. I just need it fixed. Okay, well, we're going to call you with an estimate first. Doesn't matter. That's how it works. Okay. Look the truck over, write up an estimate for a used rear end. Give the guy a call. Say, okay, Mr. Doe, this is what we found on your truck, blah, 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 blah. And he says, all right, well, I don't have $2,300, whatever it was, for all the work that needed to be done. I don't have the $2,300. But what I'll do is, he goes, I'm going to pay you $1,000, and then I'll give you $100 a week till it's paid for. Hang on 1 second there, okay? Put him on hold. I said, Rob, you are not going to believe this. You are absolutely not going to believe this. Mr. Attitude, about respect, wants to give us $1,000 and then $100 a week to pay it off. Robert picks up the phone. He says, Mr. Doe. He goes, Kenny told me what you had said. Now, can you just repeat that to me? So he repeated it to him. And Rob says to him, and I give him credit for this one, he says, well, I'm sorry, Mr. Doe. He goes, we don't extend credit to people we don't call by their first name. Yes. Yes. The guy was infuriated, absolutely infuriated. Guess who towed their car out of there after paying a diagnostic fee? Yep. Yep. Like, I don't understand. You come in and immediately snatch an attitude. Like, I don't get it. I just don't get it. I don't understand people. I just truly do not get people. Like, I wasn't disrespectful. Oh, hey, you must be John. And he explodes. Like, what the heck? Yeah. So, yep. He had a tow truck come and pick it up. And he paid the bill over the phone. He didn't want to come in and say hi to us. So, whatever. That's fine. We don't mind. But yeah, so I thought that was interesting. Like I said, I've never, ever experienced a customer like that before, ever. I mean, what did he actually expect? Where else are you going to bring it where they're going to do that? I mean, if it was somebody that we sort of knew, you know, they'd been a customer before, you know, maybe we would have done that, but still held the car, you know what I mean? But like, when you come in with an attitude, nah, that ain't flying. So, anyway, I thought you'd get a kick out of that one, because that was just, yeah, that was something else. Anyway, all right, well, I hope you get something out of my videos. I hope you enjoyed that story. Anyway, that's it. I should be home soon. So, I hope you have a great day. Keep wrenching. If you look down in the description, you'll see I have links to Amazon products. If you could please just give them a click. If you don't buy anything, that's fine. Or actually, I'm not asking you to buy anything, I should say that. But if you do buy something, I do get a very small percentage. At least if you give it a click, I do get noticed for the traffic. So I would really appreciate it. All right, guys, have a wonderful evening. Keep wrenching.